In this video, I'm going to show you how to change username in Clash of Clans. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Now to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Clash of Clans on your device and sign in to your Supercell ID on the Clash of Clans application on your device. Now in here, go ahead and click on the settings icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. In here, go ahead and open your Supercell ID by clicking on the open button beside your Supercell ID username. Make sure that you're signed in to your Supercell ID on your Clash of Clans to be able to change your username. And here, go ahead and click on the settings icon, and this will take you to your settings where you'll be able to find your username. So as you can see, you can find a change icon beside your username, and as for me, I cannot change my username at this time since I was able to use that chance in the past. You only have one chance to change your username on Supercell ID, so make sure that you change your username with a username that you prefer to use for your account. Once you have changed your username, you can just go ahead and save the changes for your Supercell ID account, and that is how you can simply change username in Clash of Clans.